Look, here comes a consequence, consequences of my actions chasing me right now. I don't want no consequence. I don't want no consequences chasing me right now. Someone take this consequence. Someone take this consequence and chasing me right now. Jesus is the consequence. Jesus is the consequence chasing me right now. Ah! Граната! Ложись! Граната!
No, listen as a friend. I hope you know I can't take this. Yes, I do.
He comes.
The cat from next door is here. Go Pikachu, charge. Pikachu, thunder attack.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, it's just your demise.
Whack!
他觉得想死。Look at this idiot. Oh.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Grounded. Bad. Right. Grounded.
That's right!
A little lower. Now open your mouth. Now give me a corkscrew. Yes! You're a queen. Now hold it. Oh, yes, I love it. You're gonna be on the front cover of Cat of the Year. Oh!
Please don't pet me. No petting, thank you. I don't want to be petted. Do not pet. Wow! That's what I love. Nestle Crunch. Spaghetti. Oh no.
Ow! What you doing?
Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't believe I got this on video. What are you doing? Ah.
Here he comes again, Thumper. Even my phone starts shaking.
Kenapa?
Gatal.
Apa gatal?
Panta.
Dang it. If you touch that again, I shall kill you right now. Okay. Do not touch this. This is a no touching zone. Good. Well then. Oh my God! I can't believe you reached across like that again. I can't even believe it. Don't cross this line with your hand.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see, I see.
Good boy. Oh God. Oh, it ran away. Oh no!